Has your phone's storage ever filled up suddenly and you don't know why? You check your videos, photos, and apps, but nothing seems big enough to be the problem. Here's the truth. Your phone has hidden folders full of junk files that slowly take up space without you noticing. In this video, I'll show you how to find these hidden files and safely delete them to free up memory fast. So let's clean it up right now. Method 1. Remove hidden files. So, open up the Files app, then tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings. Now enable the Show Hidden System Files. Then go back. Tap on Internal Storage. Next, tap on Essentials. Select All. Now, we will find the hidden folder that collects photos and videos you have ever sent from your phone. Then you send a photo or video. Your phone makes a copy and saves it in this folder. Now we need to find it. Scroll down, tap Android, then tap Media. Next, tap on the .com WhatsApp folder. Tap WhatsApp. Again, tap Media. Scroll down, tap WhatsApp Images. Then tap Send. And here are all the copies of your photos that you have sent. Select All and Delete. Tap Move to Trash. Then go back. Again, go back. Scroll down, tap WhatsApp Video. Tap on Send. Select all videos. Tap Delete All. And confirm it. Now we have to clear them from the trash as well. So go back to My Files. Scroll all the way down. Tap Trash. Select All. Then tap Delete All. And confirm it. On some phones, there is no trash folder in the file manager. Try looking in the gallery. Open the gallery on your phone. After this, tap on Albums, and here you can see recently deleted items. But if you don't find it, don't worry. First, files from the trash folder will be automatically deleted after 60 days. Method 2. Disable WhatsApp Auto Download. Now, open up the WhatsApp app on your phone. After that, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Storage and Data. Scroll down again. Here you will see the Media Auto Download option. Under the Media Auto Download option, you will find more options, like when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. So tap on the first option here, and uncheck all the options. And then tap OK. Now do the same thing with all the options. Method 3. Clear cache. Go back to the home screen, find the WhatsApp app, press and hold on it, tap the eye icon, then scroll down, tap Storage, now tap Clear Cache from the bottom right corner. And that's it. This is how you can save your phone's space from hidden files. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.